Sanitary Products Company Limited was established in June 2018, which located in Zhengzhou City, invested and built by the headquarters of Anhui Yalijies. The headquarters was established in 2009, with over 10 years of industry experience, has become one of the competitive and development potential companies in China's sanitary products industry. The company owns well-known brands such as Meishiyu and Winishan. The company integrates product development, design, production, sales, and service as a manufacturer of wet wipes, cotton soft wipes, makeup towels, and other products. We have developed several series, hundreds of varieties of products. In terms of product development technology and quality control capabilities, it has always been at the leading level in the industry, and its market share has reached a new high year after year. At present, the company has established long-term cooperative relationships with many medium and large supermarket chains in the domestic market, and exported to more than 30 countries like United States, Britain, France, Australia, Thailand, Malaysia, Poland, and so on. In terms of export qualifications, we have handled qualification documents such as FDA, SGS, ISO 9001, MSDS, Dun and Bradstreet, air and sea transportation conditions, third-party inspection reports, dangerous goods classification and identification reports, etc. All products meet export requirements.